Hey everybody, part of being a realtor is learning how to set up your business. So I wanted to go ahead and give you a video on the step by step on how to set up your business. This is going to include everything from marketing and office supplies in an office area. And so I just wanted to give you guys the steps that you needed of what to do to set up your business. When I was just starting out, I didn't think about the business aspect. I was only thinking about how to sell real estate. I was only thinking about how to get leads. I wasn't thinking about anything else regarding the business side. I was barely even realizing that I was self-employed. There was just so many things to consider regarding taxes and bank accounts. And so I want to be able to share all of that with you guys, whether you are already a realtor and realizing that there is a better way or an easier way to be able to operate your business, or whether you are just starting out and you haven't been able to and you don't know anything about setting up your business yet. This is the video for you. This is how this video will help you. If you have any questions, let me know in the Facebook group, and I look forward from hearing from you. And let's go ahead and get started. First, vehicle. Some people prefer to have a work vehicle and a personal vehicle. Either way is fine. You can have, if you choose to use one vehicle, which the majority of the people do, just make sure that you always keep a mileage app on your phone, such as Life 360 or QuickBooks for self-employed, to track your mileage. If you're able to have two vehicles, always use one for personal and the other business. The same applies for phones. Some people like to have a work phone and a personal phone. Then you just need to include one of your phones as 100% write-off on your tax records. And if you share one phone, then you can split your tax write-off 50-50 between personal and work. Next is a bank account. Make sure that you have a separate bank account for all of your real estate income and all of your real estate expenses. And that way, when it's time for tax season, you can go ahead and just look at all the debits and credits from that bank account and give it to your tax accountant. Our taxes. You want to make sure that you have a separate record of everything, as I just mentioned. And next is office supplies. You are going to need several office supplies, which I will include a list of everything from office supplies to office furniture. And this is just an example of some of the office supplies. And here is the office furniture. You're going to need the basics, such as a laptop or monitor, keyboard, mouse, camera, speaker, microphone. Some shelves, whiteboards would be very useful, or magnetic boards, desk, chair, etc. So thank you for watching, and follow me on social media, and I will see you on the next video.